Hello everyone, so today we'll be touring units of two-bedroom apartment located here at Lekki Scheme 2. Lekki Scheme 2 is just by Abraham Adesanya. Now these two units of apartments come with every essentials that it needs to have. Is located in a very serene environment, great location. So if you are using here for rental purposes or shortlet purposes, you are good to go, because these are actually units of apartments that you can use for that purpose. Now quickly, I'm going to be taking you on a full tour on the unit so you can see for yourself. But before then, if you are new to my channel, you know the drill. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let's keep the conversation going. With that said, let's take a look at what these units look like. As usual, this is the ambience of the estate. So this is the unit that we are touring, two-bedroom unit of apartment. So let's go inside. Now, one thing I like about the developer of this project is that they actually deliver very timely. This is their third project, and currently they are on their sixth project, right? Most of their projects get sold out even before they bring it into the market, and that's why I love this company. They deliver promptly. If they tell you 1 year, they will even deliver within 8 months, right? So you are good to go. Now, what I like about this space, this particular place, is how, even after the finished building, you still have a lot of space for your residents to park. And these units are very functional, right? They're very functional. Quality standards of building, as you can clearly see, great architecture and all of that. So we have a few greenery here which are still springing up, and so I'm going to take you on a sample unit that is available. I think they just have few units available and people are already living here. So let's take a tour. We're touring one of them on the first floor, so let's go. So the price of this apartment is 90 million naira. Yeah, 90 million naira for each unit. All developments here are two-bedroom units of apartments. Okay, so we'll be touring just this one by my left. So let's go. So this is the primary living area. And I also like that their development always come in, they are reasonably spacious, right? So let's go from here. Then this is your dining area, right? So you don't just have the living area. They also made space for your dining area. So I'm trying to pull back so you can have a full view of what this place looks like, right? So this is it. You have your visitor's toilet here. Have a visitor's toilet here. Then you have your, okay, let's look at the balcony last. Let's go look at the kitchen and the two rooms. So there's currently no light, but of course I must show you whether there is light or not. So this is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen with all the compartments and all of that. Then you also have a door here that leads you to the staircase that we came in from, right? So you can have access from here or through, the sitting area. So this door here leads you to this mini balcony here, right? So let's go take a look at the rooms. So this is one of the rooms. I apologize, it's dark, but there's no lights. They're still trying to fix in some things. But this two-bedroom is very functional. I had to bring it into the market. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the master's, right? Or this is the other room, rather. This is the other room. Okay, let me pull back so I can show you the wardrobe from the other angle. So this is what the room looks like, and you agree with me that it is spacious. reasonably spacious. You know, I always give my honest opinion or my honest review, right? So that's the bathroom. So let me show you look at, the quality of finishing. You know, people know how to build, but finishing is usually where the problem is. And this company usually pay a lot of attention to quality finishing. So this is the balcony. This is the balcony where you can just, chill. So this is the overview of the environment. So you see it's in a very good location. The overview of the environment is really nice. So this is the parking space I showed you. Okay, so 90 million naira, right? 90 million naira. So you can get in touch with me if you're looking to get something in Lekki Scheme 2 just by Abraham Adesanya. Now these places are very open, they are functional, people live here, the demand is already here. Rental here is about, I think 2-bedroom is about 3 million, 4 million, or up to 5 million naira. Then you can also do shortlets. Shortlets here actually moves. I manage a couple of shortlets in this estate. So if you are looking to get this for maybe for yourself, you want to just get a 2-bedroom where you can start building with your family, or you're just looking for somewhere to just store your money where you can be having annual rental money, income and all of that, this is actually a good buy. It's actually a good buy. So it's 90 million naira. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Your feedback are always well appreciated. Thank you so much. My number will be in the description, so do well to call me for further inquiry on this property. Bye. See you in the next video.